Here at Discovery, we always endeavour to show you more things you can do with your smartphone. I'm out today showcasing how you can use your camera to get the very best results. There's times when we want to capture action and others when we want to portray a movement. The standard automated camera would generally capture a scene like this perfectly, as you can see. However, if I did want to show movement, then a lot of smartphones either don't have the settings or you need to have a decent amount of knowledge to use the professional features to do just that. This phone has various additional settings that I can use to get the perfect photo. It helps me capture moving light, star trails and silky smooth water. Simply press the shutter button, leave for a few seconds and let the magic happen. I think the results really speak for themselves, but it's also worth noting that the mode on your camera may differ slightly, but that's the great thing about Discovery. If you don't explore, you'll never know. Remember to check out our other videos in this playlist and don't forget to like and subscribe to discover even more.